Welcome to School Robot Tutorials. In this section, we are going to be looking at how to add or set scholarships or discount packages on the system. And as you can see, we are on our menu interface. So the first step is to click or select the Settings tab, and then you proceed to the User and System Settings. And then head on to the Purpose Bill and other academic settings. Okay, so on this interface, we'll browse through the menu items here to select scholarships and discounts. Good. So on this interface, as you can see, we have several selection boxes here. So the first step is to select the category of the facility. That is, either you want to set scholarships or you want to set discount. So if it is scholarship that you want to set, you click to select the scholarship. Then you come to the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator is how the scholarship should be calculated. So we have, first of all, percentage from total. So if you want to allow students, or if you want to give a percentage of the fee as the scholarship, then you can determine that. So if it is 50% scholarship that you want to give, you can select the percentage from total, and then you go ahead to set your percentage. Second option is subtract from total. So let's say for this scholarship package, you have a specific amount that you want to be deducted from each child's fees. That is, any child that is assigned on this particular scholarship package, a specific amount is going to be deducted from their fees for them to pay the remainder. Okay. The last option is where you determine an amount that is supposed to be paid by a child that is placed on this particular scholarship package. Okay, so let's say for every child who is on this particular scholarship pays 200, it is flat rate. Okay, so you can determine that as well. So let us try to use the first option to say, so percentage from total. So after clicking the percentage, you go ahead to describe the type of scholarship. So let's say this is full scholarship. And then let's say it is 100%. So after you are done putting these details, then you come down here to the school fees items to select the bills that this scholarship should be applicable to or should affect. So let's say the scholarship applies to the computer fee, first aid, first term fees, maintenance fee, PE conferences, school fees, tuition fee, and tuition fee. For the purposes of understanding, it could be that for some other classes, you gave them different billing descriptions. So you can see that tuition fee is 2 here because perhaps maybe different classes have different charges, and so you added them separately. So the system will duplicate them here. So you have to select all of them so that the system will calculate irrespective of the class in which the child is. Okay, so you just have to indicate them. So we've indicated all the billing items that the scholarship should affect, and then you click on the save button. Okay, so you can see scholarship, full scholarship, 100% on its billing items. No charge so far has been put on this kind of scholarship scheme. So let us try to add one more, this time around using the discount under the category, and then you can come to the arithmetic operator using determine an amount to be paid. So we can describe it as third child discount. Third child. And this come to the amount to be paid box. So here, let's say if a child is a third child, that child happens to pay flat rate. Okay, irrespective of the class. So let's say the child pays 300. Just input the amount, and then you select the bills, the billing items that should be affected, and then you click on the save button. Okay, so we have a discount with a description of third child with a narration of 300 cedis instead of E7 billing items, and then no charges as well. added to it. So as you can see, this third child, even though we have indicated here that the third child is supposed to pay 300 cedis. So the 300 cedis is in replacement of these selected billing items, and apart from that, all the other items holds. So for instance, uniform fees is going to be added to the 300 cedis for the child to pay. Registration fee is going to be added to the billing item for the 300 cedis for the child to pay, and all these items. So all the unchecked ones will still remain for the child to pay. Okay, with the flat rate of 300 cedis. So this is a simple procedure on how to set your scholarships or discount packages. Once you have created this, when you go to the student portal or the enrollment form, when you are adding a child, you can specify whether the child is a scholarship type, discount type, or normal student. Okay, so once you put a child on discount, the system automatically calculates the discount on the fees of the child and gives him or her the amount that they are supposed to pay. So it's very simple. Explore School Robots and continue to enjoy. Shalom.